What y'all think?
We should invest.
Y'all want to invest in Airbnb? Y'all want to invest?
They up.
Everywhere they up. So should we invest?
Let me know in the comment section.
Hello, my name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. If you're new here, I do cyber-related videos.
So Airbnb reports record-breaking bookings,
Announces 2 billion buyback. We gotta get right into it. So this is courtesy of Sophia Pitt at CNBC.com, right? So let's get right into it. So this has to do with Airbnb,
which beat
Wall Street estimates for earnings, right? So, they got Wall Street back, you know what I mean? So, Airbnb, like Uber, benefited from an increase in consumer spending on activities as opposed to goods. Revenue jumped 58% year over year to $2.1 billion, helping to drive the company's most profitable second quarter to date. Shares were down about 9% despite what appeared to be a strong report, suggesting Wall Street was looking for
even greater growth and a revenue beat.
So here are the key numbers. Earnings per share. We have 56 cents versus 43 cents
expected by analysts according to
Refinitiv. So we have revenue 2.1 billion versus 2.11 billion expected by analysts according to Refinitiv. Airbnb reported net income of 379 million, up from a loss of 68 million in the year ago quarter. The company said it tightened spending at the height of the pandemic, which helped make it leaner and more focused, and that it's adapted its business as travel continues to change. Airbnb anticipates record revenue during the third quarter despite headwinds from foreign exchange fluctuations, specifically the weakening euro versus the dollar. It guided third quarter revenue to land between 2.78 billion and 2.88 billion, ahead of Street Account's 2.77 billion estimate.
The company said that it broke a single-day revenue record
on July 4th, which it says signals a strong summer season ahead.
For the second quarter, Airbnb reported more than 103 million
nights and experiences booked. It's the company's largest quarterly number ever, but fell short of Street Account estimates of 106.4 million nights and experiences booked. Gross booking value, which Airbnb uses to track host earnings, service fees, cleaning fees, and taxes, totaled 17 billion in the second quarter.
That's up 27% year over year.
And while companies are calling employees back to the office, long-term stays, where guests stay in a home for 28 days or more, remained Airbnb's fastest growing segment, with 25% growth over the year ago quarter. The company said gross nights booked for cross-border travel surpassed pre-pandemic levels during the quarter and doubled compared to the same quarter last year. Average detail rates rose 40% when compared to pre-pandemic levels in 2019, reaching $164.
That's up 7%
from the same quarter a year ago, excluding the effects of currency fluctuations. The company anticipates ADR to be flat in the third quarter on a year-over-year basis. What y'all think?
We should invest.
Y'all want to invest in Airbnb? Y'all want to invest?
They up.
Everywhere they up. So should we invest?
Let me know in the comment section.
Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.